Painting for the homeless. Video 3. Let's get this bad boy going. Hey people, this is Stuart Smith from STUARTIZM Designs. This is video number 3 of Haunts for the Homeless. Throwing down some hot metal 3D action. And hoping it'll do well so they can, get that charity thing going and produce a lot to take care of those less fortunate than ourselves. So I appreciate you coming on board. If you're new to the channel, I paint monsters for a living. Travel all over the world. So we're here in Connecticut throwing down, and enjoy the time lapses and the video. And I think we're going to be doing quite a bit today. So there'll be a lot to watch. So watch to the end for finished product. And if you'd like to see more videos, I'll throw some in the description below. If you'd like to support the channel, I'll throw a PayPal link in the description below so you don't get sucked into some, monthly thing. One-time gift, that's all I'm asking. And any amount would be greatly appreciated to keep the channel hopping and wailing. So thanks a lot. You take care. Please subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care. So this is what was produced on day 1 and day 2. We had a short day the first day and a little bit longer yesterday, but today we're going to hit 2 o'clock and we're going to be able to throw down, and everything is going well. So this is sections 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we'll be moving on to the next ones today for some hot 3D action. Come on board. 3, got a lot done. And got some stuff done that will go on video number 4 tomorrow. Thanks for coming on board. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that little bell. Check out those vids in the description below. If you'd like to support the channel, again, PayPal link in the description below as well. Hey, had a good time today. Enjoy the pics. We'll see you on the next video.